We are back with episode number 3 of the Cold Email Teardown series. Another person has submitted an email for me to tear down, and I'm going to completely roast it and rewrite it in the most loving way possible. So you can see how to generate more leads with cold emails that actually converts. Real quick, if you're watching this, if you would like to start an AI-powered marketing agency where we show you what to sell, how to sell it, how to get leads, how to close deals, and how to fulfill the work with AI, click the link in the description of this video for a video by me going over our AI-assisted marketing agency program, AIAA. We'll see you there. Drop a thumbs up if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Let's dive in. So this person submitted a 2-step email sequence, I'm assuming for lead gen. We will get you 120 meetings in 100 days. Interested or not really? Okay, so this is just very overdone. Like there's just too much writing here, and we're going to make it way shorter because that's what we do here. We make things short and sweet so they actually work. I'm going to put the current copy in red. There we go. And then we're going to do CB rewrites. Okay, so this angle is 112 words. Here's what we're going to do. Hey, Steven, saw you're the founder at company name. We can bring you 120 meetings in 120 or in 100 days, or we can book 120 meetings on your calendar in 100 days, guaranteed, or you don't pay us. Our agency has booked more than 1,000 meetings with this exact strategy. Mind if I share a quick video explaining what this would look like for you? That is the entire email. The previous email was over 100 words. This email is 53 words. We cut it in half. It's way more clear. If I read this in the inbox, I often see founders like you stuck doing everything themselves, sending messages, talking to leads, closing deals. There's no clear system in place. The current company slows down, blah, 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 blah. There's so much going on here that I don't even know what's being sold unless I really sit down and decipher what the offer is. Whereas if you read mine, hey, we can book you 120 meetings in 100 days guaranteed, all from cold email. Very clear. It's a cold email offer, 120 meetings. Subject line, Steven X CB writes. Copy, intro, boom, done. Email 2. Good morning, Kristen. It's the end of Jan, first month of 2026. Were you able to sign as many clients as you hoped at the start of the year? We are seeing right now somewhere around 80% show rate and 60% close rate generated by our system. Way too long. Once again, let's put this in red and let's do a good old-fashioned CB rewrite. Email 2. I recorded a video going over the cold email strategy that can book you 120 meetings in the next 100 days, risk-free to you, or let's just say fully guaranteed, or you don't pay us. Mind if I share the video here so you can take a look? Look at that. Boom. Their email that they sent over was 86 words. My rewrite for an email 2 is 41 words. I cut both of these emails in half, and the performance is going to double. Funny how that works. You go smaller, you get better results. That is really it. Very simple rewrite. Cut out all the fluff. This entire opener can go in the trash. It's a 34-word opener. Don't need it. Like, this email would do just fine. We run an active agency called XYZ, and we generated 100,000 calls. If we don't deliver, you don't pay. Our agency works 100% on a guarantee. It's like, I would even run this. Like, there's just so much fluff. If you're watching this and you're using a massive opening sentence like this, just get rid of it. It's a waste of space. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you would like more information on how we can help you scale an AI-powered marketing agency, the link is in the description. If you would like me to rewrite your entire 3-step sequence live on Zoom, you and I, book in with me for a consulting call. That link is also in my description. And if you would like a done-for-you cold email system, that link is also there. So AI consulting, my consulting, done-for-you cold email, all in the description. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.